In this video, I'll explain how to quit a course on Coursera. If you've accidentally enrolled in a course or changed your mind, don't worry. You can easily unenroll at any time. Start by clicking on the Coursera logo in the upper left corner of your screen. This will take you to your homepage. Once you're on the homepage, click on My Learning. This section shows all the courses you're currently enrolled in. Find the course you want to quit. Click on the three-dot menu next to the course title and a drop-down menu will appear. From the options listed, select Unenroll. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you're sure you want to unenroll from the course. If you're certain, click Yes, Unenroll. The course will be removed from your dashboard. However, don't worry, your progress will be saved. So if you decide to re-enroll in the future, you'll be able to pick up where you left off. If the course was part of a free trial, it's important to cancel the trial to avoid being charged once the trial period ends. To do this, click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen and select My Purchases. In this section, you'll see any active subscriptions or trials if you have them. Simply cancel it to prevent any future charges. For free courses, you can simply unenroll without worrying about additional steps. But for paid courses, always check your subscription details to avoid unexpected charges.